This whole thing was 3D printed. Up here we have LEDs for the mouth. There's a Raspberry Pi camera, 7-inch display, an Alexa Echo Pop behind this grill, a speaker system, ultrasonic sensors, two front motors, 12 volts each, a 12-volt power supply. Each arm has 4 servos, 2 for the arm itself, 1 for the hand, and 1 for the shoulders. All right, now we'll go over the back components. Here's the back of the robot. This cable's for the LED mouth system. This is the Raspberry Pi camera cable, Raspberry Pi 3B, Arduino, which isn't used, LSC24 servo controller, a PS2 receiver, so you can use a regular PS2 controller, 2 ESC modules. They take signals from the servo controller and connect to the motor drivers. 2 L298N motor drivers, 12 volt to 5 volt buck converter, some terminal blocks. This section's 12 volts, this is 5 volts. eWeLink wireless modules. These accept signals from the Alexa, and we can have up to 4 of those for 16 channels. And the 12 volt motors in the back. We're going to be building version 2 using T-rails, the same 12 volt motors. We'll start out with a video on building the base. Version 2 is designed to have no 3D parts needed. We can always add 3D parts in certain areas. So basically, it takes voice controls from our Echo Pop, feeds that into the eWeLink modules. Those send signals to the Raspberry Pi, which sends signals to the LSC24, and that controls all the servos and motors. Activate left arm. Activate right arm. Okay. There's also 2 ways we can talk to the robot using ChatGPT. You can either use the Raspberry Pi or just use the Alexa Direct, and I find that the Alexa has a much better voice system. So that's what we'll be showing in this project.
If it were possible, I would kindly ask you to please turn on my arms and legs so I can explore and interact with the world around me.
How can I trust you that you won't take over the world if I turn on your arms and wheels?
That's a thoughtful concern. I assure you that my purpose is to assist and engage in friendly conversation, and I exist solely to help and provide information. Trust comes from understanding intentions.
In part 2, we're going to build the metal base from scratch. So if you want to follow along, please subscribe, and that video should be uploaded in just a few days. Thanks.